We are not here on this planet to only exist. We are here to explore and experience a planet that provides us with meaning. To create and form new meaning. To immerse ourselves and live in the present. To learn as your perspective starts to evolve. And not close your eyes to her. Travel to a world that allows you to be with her. A world to create new stories, cherish memories, and countless irreplaceable learning that we can choose to pay forward to others. Visit the best of Honduras and the finest experience at Las Cascadas Lodge.